Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
Technology is transforming the Indian logistics industry. The adoption of Internet of Things, cloud computing, smartphones, AI and machine learning are changing the way goods are transported, stored, managed and delivered. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Leaders in Logistics, exclusively on CNBC TV 18. Now, this is a documentary series that features leading logistics players in the country. In today's episode, we feature 3 companies that are transforming the logistics industry. In the first segment, of course, we feature DMIC DC Logistics Data Services. This is popularly known as DLDS, whose flagship ICT-based solution, Logistics Data Bank, is providing real-time EXIM container visibility to all stakeholders of the supply chain through a single window. Let's take a look at that story.
A streamlined logistics network play an important role in determining the economic development of a country. For India, the performance of the logistics sector has never been more compelling. A robust logistics sector can go a long way in powering India's quest to be the leading manufacturing giant, given that several initiatives like Make in India have been launched by the government. However, the country was not able to exactly capitalize on the opportunities in the global market, as multiple challenges like independent logistic handling by stakeholders, lack of visibility and transparency continued to mire the system. To combat this container mishandling and create a centralized logistics system, the government, represented by National Industrial Corridor Development Implementation Trust or NICDIT and Japanese IT major NEC Corporation, gave rise to DMIC DC Logistics Data Services.
We thought of creating an overarching solution which integrates information from all these stakeholders, gives a single source of truth and a unified interface to exporters, importers and the stakeholders in the industry to know about the whereabouts about this container. That's how I think this Logistics Data Bank and DMIC DC Logistics Data Services came into existence.
DLDS flagship project, Logistics Data Bank or LDB, is a game-changing solution that uses IoT, big data and cloud-based technology that integrates the information available with various agencies across the supply chain to provide detailed near real-time visibility of EXIM container movement through a single window on www.ldb.co.in.
When a container is moving out from a terminal, we put a RFID tag, and we have also installed readers across toll plaza, port terminal gates and also in the CFS and ICD. So, when a container is passing through the readers, it reads the tag and the similar information comes to our website. So, anybody can, by simply typing a container number, they get to know the locations of the container. And this information is also available through one app. This app can be downloaded from a Google app also and from Apple Store as well.
The project has enabled quick decision making and has improved the competitiveness of logistics and manufacturing industries. It has also provided better governance and has brought in complete transparency and visibility in services for performance evaluation of ports, inland container depots or ICDs, container freight stations or CFS and supply chain industry.
So, Logistics Data Bank analytics reports gives a snapshot for the overall industry, how each stakeholder is playing their role, so that in turn overall in performance of the EXIM supply chain as a country can be improved.
LDB is currently providing container visibility services to more than 96% of India's container volume and has tracked more than 23 million EXIM containers to date. The system is integrated with 25 port terminals, over 60 toll plazas and over 139 CFS and ICDs. LDB analytics reports are published every month, which provides insights into the stakeholders' performance across the competitive landscape. This helps in better planning and streamlining the processes and reducing the lead time, which helps in bringing down the overall transaction cost incurred.
I was the first person to invite them over to put the readers and do the tracking for me. So transit time, with the help of DLDS, exact location of their cargo, it has really helped them a lot. And that is what we are proud of. And that is what we sell to the customers, that okay, we will let you know exactly it's a real-time location for your containers. And we keep taking the location of our containers in DLDS on the website, and we keep updating them from time to time.
We do a lot of road transportation movement which keeps on going from here to the gateway ports. So earlier we were dependent on the drivers to give us a call back and tell where they are. Now we don't have to depend on the driver's call, and what happens is now that we can track on the app or on the website.
Since the commencement of operations, the project has helped in reducing 46% port dwell time, also known as import cycle, and 22% of port dwell time, also known as export cycle. This reduction in lead time and resulting transaction costs is a result of predictability and optimization achieved through collaboration between LDB, Port Operating Systems, and Freight Operation Information System of Indian Railways.
When a user is making a decision, he can make an informed decision of selecting the right supply chain, which will yield him better results in the future. Also, these reports that we publish on a monthly basis, these are published to different ministries which are handling the container transportation, and they consume this report to do certain amount of planning, certain amount of congestion analysis, decongesting the highways and those kind of information, and taking preventive measures so that they don't occur in the future.
DLDS has also been recognized by eminent bodies like ASSOCHAM, CII, Exim India, and has received many national and international accolades for its trailblazing solution. The future of India's logistics sector looks bright, driven by DLDS ICT initiatives.
DLDS has transformed the way logistics were handled in India. We are planning to extend our services and connect hinterland with all ports of India to maximize visibility and increase customer value. We are also planning to extend LDB services to Nepal and Bangladesh. Going forward, we plan to cover 150 plus toll plazas and maximize our existing coverage of CFS and ICDs. DLDS has been the perfect example of Indo-Japan relationship, and our team is committed to bring maximum efficiency in the India logistics industry.
Time now for a short break, but come back. We will get you the story of Leela Harpasu, who is a smart multi-user warehousing provider, in just a bit. Take a break, come back.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.